The collaboration with Glow Recipe and Mikayla is here. So exciting. I feel so blessed. I didn't expect to receive this box at all, but I got this in PR, so thank you so much, Glow Recipe. I'm so blessed. Just look at Mikayla. She looks absolutely beautiful. Oh, her skin is so gorgeous. In this set is a full size of the Watermelon Dewdrops, a little mini of the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream, and then another mini size, I believe this is a mini size, of the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. Let's just try to ignore how yuck my hair kind of looks right now. But I'm just going to apply it for you guys so you can see. But this is the Dewdrops. I love these. I've just enjoyed this. Love these. Love this serum. Smells so good. Also, I just applied way more than I needed to apply. But smells so good. Feels so nice and refreshing on the skin. And then the avocado serum. I have not tried this before. Just for demo purpose, obviously you don't apply 2 serums in a row, but for demo purposes, I'm gonna show you guys this one too. Mikayla mentions that she likes this serum for like cooling, the cooling feeling that it gives to the skin, and it also helps with like depuffing and getting rid of some redness. But this also smells really good. And then the Plum Plump Cream. I have tried this before. This is really nourishing on the skin. It definitely has a good scent as well. It has a gel type consistency. It is really moisturizing to the skin, but it also feels really lightweight, which is really nice. It's also just super refreshing. I feel like all of these Glow Recipe products are just so refreshing on the skin. And there you have it. Fresh, glowy skin.